once you've got your own chopsticks, get your chopsticks at your hand. If you're more comfortable with your left hand, no worries, just go ahead. But I use my right hand. Alright, can you see? My right hand. Here we go. Well, we use most of the time the little finger is with the ring finger. They are together to hold the stick which towards us. So these two fingers, the little finger and the ring finger, control this stick more towards your body, and then the rest, the three fingers, we separate them into two parts, which one part is thumb and the other part is our index finger and middle finger. Put the other stick between your index finger and the middle finger. Can you see? And control them with these two fingers while your thumb hold a little bit top of the stick. Well, the thumb is holding both of them. The long thumb hold both of them. But well, the paralyzed thumb with the little finger and the ring finger control, they don't move that much actually. So most of the time the movement comes from the the middle finger and index finger. So the thumb is controlling them, holding them, fix them, while this two longer finger, it's to move them. See? So you can control angles. Well, you can use any comfortable ways you like, as long as you can pick up food easily by chopsticks. For me, I can use it to pick anything. Vegetables, no problem. Big chickens, no problem. Or like garlic. Ooh, garlic, no problem. And deliver the food to your mouth. I hope you have learned it, and practice more, because practice always makes perfect. And if you have any question, just leave comments below so I can answer. And as a real Chinese who grew up in China, well, our grandmother always joke. We have a joke like for girls who are little, when they are little, if they hold their chopsticks to the bottom part, which means this little girl will not be married too far away from their original family. Whereas on the opposite, if you hold too top of your chopsticks, the top part, then the girls will be marrying to very far away from the original home. But that's from the ancient times where the transportation was not that convenient. That's just a joke for you to think about which part you want, which part is more comfortable for you to hold. For me, it's like nearly the top, but it's not the top, because this way I can stay away from the heat of the food, but I can also control them more flexible. I hope you have learned it, how to use chopsticks. Yeah, for the still one, it's the same theory, same.